Hello queens and kings. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new to my channel, thanks for clicking. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, okay? If you are interested in seeing how I'm going to make hibiscus and rose hip tea or infused water, stay tuned, guys. Okay, so I have dried hibiscus and dried rose hips from the Natural Co-op store. All right, so I already have put the hibiscus in. Now I'm putting some rose hip. All right, so you have your boiling water. Go ahead and take your strainer and let it sit in the water. I let it boil for about 10 or 15 minutes, not too long. The color comes so fast. So just checking it and showing you all. Now that it's boiling, I am going to turn it off. And the color is almost out of the leaves, so of course you want to drain it, and then you want to let your tea cool. I cut up some fresh ginger, apples, and you see the hibiscus and the rose hip. I put some more dried in the infuser. Fruit are optional. And of course, I just wanted to give you all a glimpse of the fruit. All right, now that it is cooled down, I am adding it to the infuser or pitcher. I did add more water because I don't like it really dark. So, of course, add more water when you're finished to fill up your jar. Sweetener is optional. I do not use sweetener with my hibiscus and rosehip tea. All right, so if you do not have a diffuser, just giving you a couple different options. Guess where I got mine from? Only for $5 off of OfferUp. You all know I am a bargain shopper, right? Yes, because this girl loves bargains. You can also find one at the Goodwill or thrift store and clean it up really good. But hey, if you're not into that, purchase a new one. You all, I thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate all of your support. I hope you try this, okay? I mean, why would you not, all right? Sweetener, of course, is optional. Other than that, this girl has to go. Remember that this girl loves color, bright color, to be exact. Thanks for watching, guys.